Hi, Sophie. Have you got a second? I need to go over the changes to the patient follow-up system for speech therapy cases.
Sure, Mihira. What's different now?
Well, traditionally we booked reassessments automatically at 6 weeks. Now, only high-risk patients, like post-stroke or head trauma cases, will be scheduled formal reviews. Others will be contacted at 4 weeks by phone, and if there's no flagged issue, no in-person session will be booked.
Okay, but didn't we move to longer intervals before because of resource shortages?
True, but audits showed delayed intervention worsened outcomes, especially in patients with early mild dysphagia. So, even though resource pressure is real, the new system prioritizes clinical need over blanket timeframes.
Got it. So, patients without red flags may not even need face-to-face review?
Exactly. It's about identifying who genuinely needs intervention earlier rather than letting everyone wait based on calendar dates.
Makes sense, Mihira, though it's another adjustment for the ward nurses to track.
I know, but catching deterioration sooner could save a lot of escalation down the line.
MIHIRA, it's important to understand that pain is your body's way of communicating that something may be changing, and paying attention to those changes helps us keep you safe and comfortable. When pain increases, decreases, or feels different from before, it can provide valuable clues about how your condition is progressing. Sometimes, a change in pain is expected as part of healing, but at other times it may signal an issue that needs prompt attention, such as inflammation, delayed healing, or the early signs of a secondary infection. Monitoring pain closely allows healthcare providers to assess whether current treatments are working effectively or if adjustments are needed to prevent complications. Your experience of pain is unique, and you are the most reliable person to notice subtle changes. That is why communicating openly about any new pain, worsening discomfort, or unusual sensations is so important. Sharing this information early helps the care team respond quickly, provide relief, and address problems before they become more serious. Please remember that reporting changes in pain is never a burden or a complaint, it is an essential part of your care. By speaking up, you are actively participating in your recovery and helping us support you in the best possible way.